My name is Lyndon Gray. I experienced an injury lifting weights about 10 years ago, and I decided to go to the doctor because it was beginning to give me trouble. And when I went, the doctor discovered that the condition of my hip, it really needed to be replaced. But I did not want my hip to be replaced because I felt that that was such a drastic procedure. And so I neglected to have it done. And so I left the doctor's office and I continued to just go on with life. But 5 years after that initial visit, my hip got to the point to where it was just totally in excruciating pain. As time went on, I was thinking, well, there's other medical procedures that's done through robots and stuff. So I was just wondering if the hip replacement was one of those procedures. And so I Googled that, and the Mako robotic assistant came up, and once I seen that, I was wondering if they did that here in Nevada. And I Googled that and I looked into that. It happened to be that it was 3 or 4 different orthopedic surgeons that did it, and so I narrowed everything down to one, and it was Dr. Mark Allen. And so I went in and had the consultation, and he patiently answered all the questions to my satisfaction. And once I was satisfied, we made the appointment to move forward. And when we made that appointment, we had it done on May 8th. And 24 days later, I can truly say I'm a brand new individual, and I'm loving every minute of this brand new hip. No pain, none whatsoever. And if anyone is having pain, I would definitely recommend that you have this done because you will not regret it.